will be doing truck races. This is the damn thing like bike races, but you ridden truck. For and my brother, Gaken and my sister. And if I did way more to get go, they will go down and they will come back up. If I did way up to get go, they will go. Way marked. Missed it. Kaboom! Ayana is winning! But my sister cried and my brother lose. Who fought? It's a tie! It's a freaking darn tie! My brother and my sister is tied! Believe that! Yes, I just see them with my own eyes! They're gonna be coming down and coming back up. My brother is full my sister is Gaken! There may be a part 2 from this. I will be on the part 2 then. Tomorrow I have told okay. I'm trying to record them. I never keep them that long. I'm gonna get down. Oh, they're coming. Get up here! My iPod get ready to die. They can't hear you, you know. My sister Gaken plate, my brother is 4th plate. My sister crack that got broken down. And he got back fixing. Ayana is Gaken plate. Ayana. Connor is 4th plate. Connor, come back here, everyone. Everyone can see you. It's that far to be a 4th plate. Go with Freddy. Go with Freddy. Go with Freddy. That they go with Freddy. Please, I don't want him to cry. Go with Freddy. 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 Go and Daddy. Freddy, Papa. Go with Freddy. Go and Freddy. Go Freddy. Bam! 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 Oh, fine! Night of free. Done. There's gonna be a part 2 from this one. Wait a minute, no, there's gonna be a part 1 from this because the video gonna be long.